Welcome back. In this video we're going to be using the extrude tool to basically make an opening. So what we want to do is we're going to basically create another cube with shift A. Wait, first we have to be in object mode. Shift A, create another cube. I'm gonna bring this cube over here. Shift A, let's bring it over. Okay, we have the cube here. Okay, so now we want to go to edit mode with tab. So we need to select it. Press Control R to slice it up. Control R. Now we have slices. Let's say we want to slice it here. Roll our scroll wheel again. Slice here. Wait. Control R. It's right here. Wait. Control R. Here. And here. Oh, now we have those sliced. So next we want to go ahead and hit select this square, select this, move this point over here. Move this down. Wait. Enter. Just tab again to get out of edit mode. Push this down here. Go tab again, back in the edit mode. Okay. Gonna go select this one. Select faces. Wait. We're gonna press E. Let's see. Okay, so what we did, we press shift and then click all the places that we wanted press E, go right here. Now what we want to do after we press E is press X to delete. Then we want to delete the face. Then we have a hole here. Okay, let's try this right here. Shift, click this line, and this line. Press X, delete the face. Now we have a vent almost. Yeah. And that's how you delete in face in Blender, but you also can do it this way. Click this one here. Now you don't have to do shift or anything like that. You can just click and then press X to delete the face. Now you have complete. You don't have to do the shift. You could just click it that way. But with this one right here, select mode, you have to select them individually. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you like the video, subscribe, and see you next time.